Bitcoin price is struggling to recover above the $32,000 and $32,200 resistance levels. BTC is moving lower and it may decline below $31,000. The current 12/24 Universal Time Coordinated price action suggests chances of more downsides below $30,000. Similarly, most major altcoins are showing bearish signs. ETH might accelerate lower below $1,820 and $1,800. XRP could continue to move down towards $0.550. Bitcoin price. After a clear break below $32,000, Bitcoin price struggled to climb back higher. An immediate resistance on the upside is near the $32,000 level. The first major resistance is near the $32,200 level, above which the bulls might aim for a recovery towards the $33,000 level. If the bears remain in action, the price could decline further below $31,000. The main breakdown support is still near the $30,000 level, below which the price might decline further. Ethereum price. Ethereum price settled well below the $2,000 level. ETH is gaining bearish momentum and it might soon drop below the $1,800 support. In this case, the price might revisit the $1,750 support. Any more losses could open the doors for a move towards $1,500. If there is an upside correction, the price might face resistance near $1,920. The first major resistance is now forming near the $1,980 and $2,000 levels. ADA, LTC, Doge, and XRP price. Cardano, ADA, is moving lower and it is now trading below $1.18. If ADA slides further, there is a risk of a move towards the $1.15 level. Any more losses might call for a test of $1.10. On the upside, the $1.20 level is a strong resistance zone. Litecoin, LTC, is now trading well below the $120 pivot level. If LTC breaks the $112 support, there is a risk of a drop towards the $100 support zone. On the upside, the price might face hurdles near the $125 level. Dogecoin, Doge, is down over 7% and it is approaching the $0.165 support. The next major support is near the $0.150, below which the bears might aim for a test of the $0.112 level in the near term. On the upside, the bears might remain active near $0.200. XRP price is showing bearish signs below $0.600. The price is now approaching the $0.565 support. The next major support is near $0.550, below which it could even test $0.500. On the upside, the $0.600 level is a breakout zone. Other altcoins market today. Many altcoins declined over 5%, including AXS, STX, Flow, Rune, SNX, Sushi, Comp, RVN, SOL, HNT, AAVE, Matic, CRV, and CEL. Out of these, AXS dropped over 14% and it could revisit $15. To sum up, Bitcoin price is signaling a possible downside break below the $31,000 support. If BTC settles below $31,000, it could even slide below $30,000.